my luggage. But your luggage is too big. Why don't you call Flight Simple Aircraft Sales?
I'll call Flight Simple Aircraft Sales in 2020.
Well, your luggage is gonna have to wait till Wednesday then. Happy New Year's, everyone, from Flight Simple Aircraft Sales.